Good day, everyone. This is my project of removing the fuse box or ripping off the fuse box, seeing what is inside. This is for a BMW X5 e70 2011 model. Getting it out was a little bit difficult as these two hinges were blocking me from taking out. So I had to insert two flathead screwdriver in between and pull it out because holding both sides was a little bit difficult. Got two hands only, I was alone, so I managed to do it. You can see the other parts if you have any doubt. Just look around the hinges so that you can understand how it holds on. This slot is for the for a module, and you have to remove these two Torx T15 screws and then remove all the fuses and relays before disassembling or ripping off the fuse box. Now I'll do the ripping off and take a video after that, right? So I have already opened the box. As you can see, all the relays are out, fuses are out. I was not able to record it because I had no camera stand. So I'll show you what's inside. There is nothing surprising. There are a few relays. You can note down the relay numbers. If you have any problem with the fuse box, you can just Google for the relays. If it is available, you have to rip it off. Otherwise, just go for a new one or buy a junkyard one. Hopefully you are able to view the numbers properly. I did not find any other resistors, only these relays and those three resistors. And you can see the metal strip which are the fuse holders. It is connected to these four leads. I don't know what these four leads are. I don't have any technical information, but getting these four from the plastic body was the difficult part of my project because I don't know what's holding it, but it was just laying tight in the plastic body. I don't know what these numbers are. I'm sorry for that, but I'm just showing this video if this will be helpful for someone. I did not find any YouTube video for this, or was not able to find any hint by googling. So whenever you take it out, there are slots or grooves in the edges. You can just put a flathead screwdriver or something like that, and whenever you pull each clip out, you can just insert a flat metal piece or plastic piece, something like that, so that it doesn't go back to those slots, and remove these two Torx screws. And you can just pull it out a little bit, and using a screwdriver you have to I will show you the slot. You can see these four slots, and those metal legs are actually seated in there, so you have to first push in through these two slots. Then I'm just showing you how to do it from outside. So these four legs will be staying just like that. You have to pull out from farther end one by one, not to spot it. Be careful, don't hit the board. I don't know what's on it, so you have to take it out just like that, and it'll be fine to go. All right, so that's it. Have a good day.